Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram error. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. So guys, when you have logged in your Instagram account on iPhone and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, you have to open your settings here, scroll it down, click on your Wi-Fi, and make sure that you have connected with strong Wi-Fi connection. So guys, if you have already connected with any Wi-Fi, you have to forget this network, and guys, after this you need to reconnect it again. And guys, if you are using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device. And you have to scroll it below, click on general, scroll it down. From here you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem on your iPhone. So guys, when you have reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back and guys, select your region from here according to your country. And guys, now you have to go back. From here guys, you have to click on date and time. Make sure that you have selected date and time on automatically. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back now. And guys, after doing this method, you have to open your app store on your iPhone. And guys, after this you have to search here Instagram. As you can see here, search here Instagram. And guys, after searching Instagram, you have to open your Instagram app. And guys, you need to update your Instagram if you have not updated. So guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to log in your Instagram smoothly. So guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings here, scroll it down, click on general, and click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this you have to open your Instagram app from here, and you have to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, log in again and check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, you have to open an internet browser. And guys, you have to open the official website of Instagram, that is instagram.com, and you have to log in your Instagram account at that website. And guys, after login successfully at that web browser, then guys, you have to log in your Instagram again on app. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.